Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best mini-home NAS devices that can revolutionize your home storage setup. Whether you're a media enthusiast, a remote worker, or just someone who wants secure, centralized storage, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Orico TS500 Mini Home NAS. The Orico TS500 Mini Home NAS is a versatile private cloud storage solution designed for home users seeking both convenience and security. It supports both 2.5 and 3.5 SATA HDDs and SSDs, allowing configurations ranging from a 2-bay setup with up to 40 terabytes of storage to a 5-bay setup that can accommodate as much as 100 terabytes. This flexibility makes it suitable for backing up large amounts of data, from personal files to high-resolution multimedia. Equipped with a gigabit wired network port, the Orico TS500 delivers impressive LAN transfer speeds of up to 120 megabits per second, ensuring smooth data access across multiple devices. Its external network support enables remote access, allowing multiple terminals to connect and share files securely from anywhere. The NAS employs Orico's exclusive SDVN virtual secure network for encrypted transmission, safeguarding personal data and minimizing the risk of unauthorized access or cyber threats. Heat management is optimized with a low-noise dual high-speed fan and a hollow design at the back, ensuring stable operation even during heavy use. For those with large photo libraries or extensive media collections, the Orico TS500 offers automatic backup functionality that preserves high-resolution images without compression, freeing up space on mobile devices. Cinephiles and media enthusiasts will appreciate the NAS's ability to centralize movie storage. Instead of juggling files across different phones, tablets, or iPads, users can access and stream movies directly from the private cloud, making it easy to enjoy content seamlessly on multiple devices. With a combination of high storage capacity, fast data transfer, secure encryption, and thoughtful multimedia features, the Orico TS500 Mini Home NAS provides a comprehensive solution for personal private storage, data security, and home entertainment. Coming in at number 4, the Ugreen DXP4800P Mini Home NAS. The Ugreen DXP4800P Mini Home NAS redefines home storage with its expansive capacity and powerful performance. Designed to accommodate demanding storage needs, this device features 4 SATA bays, each supporting up to 30 terabytes, alongside 2 compact M.2 NVMe SSD slots capable of handling 8 terabytes each. When fully populated, the system reaches a remarkable total of 76 terabytes, offering ample room for media libraries, work files, and personal archives. At the heart of the DXP4800P is a 12th Gen 4-core Intel processor, delivering smooth operation and a significant performance boost over previous generations. This ensures that file transfers, streaming, and multi-device access remain seamless, even when handling large volumes of data. Whether you're managing personal media or collaborative work projects, the NAS provides the speed and reliability required for modern home and small office environments. Ugreen emphasizes user-friendly operation through its dedicated app, which simplifies storage management across devices. Users can easily access and organize files without relying on multiple tools or complex third-party software. The app is compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, web browsers, and smart TVs, ensuring universal access and a consistent experience across all platforms. With its combination of vast capacity, high-performance processing, and intuitive software, the Ugreen DXP4800P Mini Home NAS offers a robust solution for those seeking efficient, centralized storage at home. It balances cutting-edge technology with practical usability, making it suitable for digital enthusiasts, remote workers, and families alike. From media streaming to secure backups, this NAS system is designed to handle the evolving demands of today's digital lifestyle. At number 3, we have the Aoostar WTR Pro N150 Mini Home NAS. The Aoostar WTR Pro N150 Mini Home NAS is a compact yet powerful solution designed for versatile home and office use. At its core, it features the Intel N150 CPU with Intel UHD graphics, built on the advanced Intel 7 lithography technology, delivering over 20% improved performance compared to previous generation N5105 mini PCs. This combination ensures smooth multitasking, efficient processing, and stable operation for various computing needs. Equipped with 4 SATA bays, the WTR Pro supports continuous 24/7 operation while consuming only 12 watts thanks to MSP technology, making it energy efficient. Storage options are highly flexible, with support for 4 3.5 SATA hard drives and a 2 TB M.2 2280 NVMe slot. Its single SODIMM DDR4 slot supports up to 32 GB of high-frequency 3200 MHz memory, allowing users to upgrade performance to meet demanding applications. Various RAID modes further enhance data management and security. The device excels in visual output, supporting up to 3 displays simultaneously via HDMI, DP, and full-function Type-C, with HDMI providing 4K resolution for crisp and immersive visuals. Whether for multimedia tasks, office work, or monitoring applications, the WTR Pro ensures an efficient and clear visual experience. Cooling and quiet operation are prioritized through a through-type internal design, a 12-centimeter smart fan with dynamic speed adjustment, and a new air path with bottom intake and auxiliary openings. This setup ensures stable performance even under heavy workloads. With its combination of high performance, flexible storage, multi-display support, efficient cooling, and rich connectivity, the Aoostar WTR Pro N150 Mini Home NAS is a compact powerhouse for home, office, or DIY NAS enthusiasts. Next up at number 2 is the Orico HS200 Pro Mini Home NAS. The Orico HS200 Pro Mini Home NAS redefines personal and family storage, offering seamless access to your digital life anytime, anywhere. Designed for modern households, it supports up to 20 simultaneous online accounts, allowing multiple users to connect and manage their content without conflicts. Its auto backup and cloud syncing features ensure that high-resolution photos are stored in their original quality, freeing up space on mobile devices while keeping memories intact. Cinephiles will appreciate the HS200 Pro's movie-friendly design, enabling the sharing of films from private storage rather than scattering files across multiple devices like phones, tablets, and iPads. Families can create separate shared albums, granting selective access to photos, videos, and other media, making moments of joy easier to share. AI-powered image recognition and intelligent classification help organize large collections, making it simple to locate favorite memories or important documents. Security is a top priority with the HS200 Pro. It features encryption functions that safeguard personal data against third-party cyber threats, ensuring peace of mind for every user. Built on the robust x86 architecture with an Intel Celeron N5105 processor, the NAS delivers smooth performance even under heavy workloads. Additional capabilities include multi-account concurrent usage, global access from anywhere, double-layer encryption, and convenient group sharing options. Its user-friendly interface ensures that managing files, setting up backups, and sharing media is intuitive, even for those new to network-attached storage. Whether for personal use, family collaboration, or streaming high-quality media, the Orico HS200 Pro Mini Home NAS combines performance, security, and intelligent organization, making it an essential tool for digital living. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ugreen DH4300 Plus Mini Home NAS. The Ugreen DH4300 Plus Mini Home NAS redefines how families manage and enjoy their digital content. Designed as a central hub for all household data, this 4-bay NAS supports an impressive 120 terabytes of storage, offering ample space for photos, videos, documents, and more. At the heart of the DH4300 Plus lies an 8-core flagship processor, delivering 6 TOPS of AI computing power, ensuring smooth and efficient handling of tasks. Connectivity is seamless thanks to the 2.5G high-speed network interface and NFC one-touch binding for mobile devices, making setup and file access effortless. Users can manage files, create backups, and share content from anywhere at any time, turning the NAS into a personal cloud accessible both at home and remotely. Beyond basic storage, the DH4300 Plus integrates functions that cater to entertainment and productivity alike. Families can collect, download, and organize content freely while enjoying a private, secure environment for movies, music, and other media. Its design supports a complete scenario data center solution, unifying storage, backup, sharing, and entertainment in one device. With the Ugreen DH4300 Plus Mini Home NAS, digital life becomes more streamlined, organized, and accessible. It's more than just storage. It's a personal data center that understands the needs of modern households, enabling everyone in the family to enjoy a smooth, connected, and intelligent digital experience anytime and anywhere.